Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have our two student interns with us again today.
Hi, I'm Sonia.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
So what are we making today?
Today we are making a bouquet of tulips. So here's the two that I have so far.
These
Oh,
are the three.
I love them. I can't wait for you to teach me how to do it.
We can't wait.
Yeah. But before we get started, we are going to be doing a breathing exercise. And I thought since we're already making tulips, we could make a petal with the shape of our hands. So as you breathe in, you're going to do an outline of a petal. And then when you breathe out, you're just going to go back to your original place. And we're going to do that 2 times together.
Great.
So breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. What supplies do we need?
Colored paper, scissors, glue, or tape.
So what's the first step?
First step is you're going to cut out a square piece of paper, any size you want, any color. And then you're going to fold it in half like this. And then you're going to fold it in half again like this. So it's an even smaller square. And then you're going to fold it into a triangle.
Okay. There we go.
Yep.
Great. Okay.
All right, so now that we have our triangle, what we're gonna do is we are gonna cut a heart shape out of the triangle. And so what I have found to be a nice way to make sure to get that nice tulip shape is to draw half a heart. And I'll show you guys. So I drew a heart like this.
Okay.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut on the outline. So
Okay.
I'm gonna start at the bottom and I'm just gonna follow that outline of a heart.
Look.
Nice job. Peggy.
Yay, you open it up and you have some hearts.
Yes, 3.
Perfect.
I have
All right.
4 hearts.
Yes, so for the
so do
tulip,
I.
we actually
Yeah.
only need 3.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 3 of the 4 hearts, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the hearts upside down.
Okay.
We get that nice tulip shape like this. And you're gonna, what I did is I put one of my hearts on my table like this. And then I took one of the other hearts and I folded it in half.
Okay.
And what I did was I took some glue. You can use tape as well, but I just found glue to be easiest for me. And you're going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom part of the heart,
Okay.
right here.
And I'm going to do mine with double-sided tape.
Okay, perfect. So the next step, so you have your glue and you have your heart. You're going to you're going to align those two, like the bumps of the heart,
Yeah.
and you're going to fold or glue that on right here. And you can press down to make sure that glue or your tape is sticking. And so what it looks like is kind of like an open book. You can,
yeah.
but you don't want to tape that down. You just want to keep it kind of like a nice little flap like this. So
Great.
when it opens like this. So then we're going to do the same thing with that third heart. You're going to fold it again. And you want to make sure that your opening is towards the inside. So I made sure to figure out which side I want to align it with. And I'm gonna take that heart and put some glue on it.
So the open part goes towards the middle, correct?
Yes, it does. And then I'm gonna stick it on. So it's kind of like I have two open books like this.
Yes.
And then there is your flower for your tulip.
Nice. I just realized I put mine on the wrong side, but easy to change around.
I
Yeah,
know,
so
I
did
did the
I.
same thing, so I had to redo it. Those come out cute.
I know, aren't they cute? Okay, and so what's the next step going to be?
So the next step is to make our stem. So you're going to take a green piece of construction paper.
I love it.
It's, yeah, I like your flower matches your sweater.
Thank you.
And you're going to start in the corner. And you're going to roll it, not like up, kind of like a tube, a narrow tube. Just keep rolling until you get it as long as you want. So here's mine coming.
Okay. And you can do it pretty tight, right, Peggy?
Yes. And you don't even have to roll it all the way when you get it to like, well, I think I will go use the whole, and then you're just gonna put some glue on the edge of the paper.
And I'm going to tape mine.
That glue is empty. Nice.
So it'll look like this. And while you're working on that part of your stem, I know we all pre-cut leaves. So what you can do is pre-cut a leaf or two. And I just taped mine on the back of my stem. You can also glue it. So while you're working on that, I'm going to tell you a little joke.
Okay.
Okay. What kind of flower lives on your face?
What kind of flower lives on your face?
I don't know.
Yeah, what?
Tulips.
Oh,
That's
That
a,
is perfect.
I was
yes,
just gonna
that's
say,
very cute.
that's a perfect joke for our tulips.
Thank you. And then after you get your stems rolled and your leaf put on, if you want to put a leaf on, then the very last step is you're just going to glue or tape your tulip to the top of the stem.
All right.
For this step, what I did is I put the glue kind of like right in the center of it. And I'm just gonna plop it on like this.
Oh,
That's
okay,
like-
great. And I just taped mine on the back. And so then I'm going to add mine to my bouquet.
You got 3 flowers. I'm just starting mine.
Yeah, I think they look
Or
really nice.
you can always put it on a piece of paper like I did.
Yes,
That looks nice.
these all look fantastic. Thank you all. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.